Stop. You did it. You have become a Powerline Team Building Engine member. This means you're serious about making money online, and you are committed to growing your business. So, congratulations. When you are trying to make money online, you don't just need a system, you need momentum. So, welcome to the Powerline Team Building Engine, where structure meets leverage, and where small actions can turn into real income. As a Powerline Team Building Engine member, you have unlocked access to many valuable income-generating tools. Targeted lead generation on autopilot, a CRM with pre-written follow-up email sequences, personalized funnels and marketing materials, marketing training and the multiple streams of income-generating money train, and hands-on consultation. But here's what most people miss. They join, they get excited, and then they get stuck. Not here, because now you also have access to the Strive for 5 Wealth Library. This is where things change. Inside, you'll find powerful, income-focused blueprints that show you exactly how to start a business, generate income online, build business credit, build a downline on autopilot, create offers that actually sell, use AI tools like ChatGPT to move faster. No guessing, no overwhelm, no wasted time. Just clear steps that help you create quick wins and real progress. And here's the best part. Even if you are a free Powerline Team Building Engine member, you get access to the entire Wealth Library for just $5 per month. And it's only available to Powerline members right now. Click the link on this page. Go to the Strive for 5 Wealth Library enrollment page and activate your access. This is where you stop trying and start building. Momentum, income, leverage. Click the link, get started. Reach out to your sponsor and tell them Rachel AI sent you. Welcome aboard the Powerline Team Building Engine. Let's start building.